This video is for you service-based business owners that work B2B and are looking to secure new contracts with new clients and capture as many leads as you possibly can through your website. When you put things out on the internet or you do any kind of advertising, you are looking to gain the attention of the market, or at least a percentage of the market. That attention then becomes traffic as soon as they click through to your website. That could be directly on an advert that they see, could be scanning a QR code, could just be typing in your name because they've seen it or heard it somewhere, maybe even word of mouth. But once they arrive on your site, that's traffic. That traffic will then hopefully become a conversion. And we're looking to improve the percentage and the strike rate of each of these transitions. Now, for you in a B2B business, it is likely that a conversion is a lead. Somebody fills in a form on your website perhaps, or contacts you for more information on your services. There are three things to consider here. First of all, what's the experience like for the individual when they first land on your website? This landing on your site should be smooth, should be fast, and it should look good on a mobile phone. Once they've arrived and they're in, it's almost like them walking into your shop in like a traditional business sense. They've walked through the door, they think, yeah, I think I'm in the right place, and then they start looking around or looking for help. That's what happens on websites. The next thing people are looking for is, can I find what it is that I want to know more about or what I'm looking for? Now we call that the navigation. And in this case, they have to be able to navigate to a topic or a service. For example, if your business was, you were a drain cleaning company, then people might want to know about particular types of drains. Maybe they've got a problem, they're looking to find that topic. Maybe they're browsing your services to try and find more information to make sure that you are the right fit for them. They're not going to waste your time and you're not going to waste theirs. So they'll have a little look around. Now, in the relationship between these two things, we've got something interesting here, which is time spent on the website. And that is something that we can measure. The more time someone spends on your site, usually the better and a good job that your site is doing. Now, the third part of this journey, once people have sort of read a little bit more or found out some more information, yes, I'm in the right place, what's next? Well, this here is when they become a lead. Now that happens usually on a website by somebody booking an appointment. Maybe you can book straight through, depending on how you do it. It might be that they fill in a form that then comes through as a lead into your inbox. What we want to do is take out this step here so that people don't need to go from one to the other. And instead, at the bottom of these topic or service pages, you have a contact box. Could be name, could be your location, could be a data field where they can type in the type of issue or challenge that they are looking to help with, and phone number, of course. But if you put that at the bottom of this topic or service page, you will hold all of this attention in the one place and they won't need to click off to go to a new one. That will help you to streamline this process. It will make it faster and easier, and guess what? Convenience is what sells in this day and age. So cut that section out and you'll be in a better position. But listen, if all of this stuff is like me talking in an alien language to you because you don't know about it, or you haven't even really got any of this together yet, then that's the first place that you need to start. And look, you're not alone. I've worked with so many business owners that have great businesses. They just haven't yet put that business right there in the shop front on the internet yet because the website's not up to scratch, or they need a little bit of help understanding how it all works. I'm happy to help. Any question's a good question. If you want my help, please do follow through and ask me. I'm really happy to help you. And if you have got your website running and it is looking good and it's working well, then maybe just start adding some topical pages, talk about some case studies you've worked on, put some examples of your work, talk about some of the maybe topical points that are out there being spoken about within your industry, relate them back to your services because you are the right choice and the right solution for them, and then pop that contact box on the bottom of each of those pages and you'll increase the chances of getting leads. Now, I hope that helps. It's worth noting that with service-based businesses, there is usually a paywall here, and this paywall relies on a manual interaction. So there are other businesses, for example, that we work with that might be able to buy something straight off the website. But in a B2B service-based business, you probably want to have a meeting. You probably want to get your customer service person or your salesperson, or even you as the business owner, talking to that individual to make sure that you're a good fit before sending them an invoice. So that's what that manual paywall is for. But even more reasons to do a great job of looking after them, and it starts by looking after the traffic. Keep it on your website. Don't let them go anywhere else. Give them what they are looking for. Give them information that they find interesting and useful, and then help them to become a lead. That's a great way of looking at it. Thanks for watching. Make sure if you've liked this, you let me know, and subscribe for more videos like this.